Hey guys, what's up? So today I'm going to be filming my December Birchbox. So this is what the Birchbox looks like. It's like really pretty, it's got gold accents and stuff. Just like really holiday-ish. So let's see what's in it. The first thing, well, one thing I have in here is $10 off the next order. As a small thanks for being a subscriber, treat yourself to $10 off your next $50 or more shop order. You can use the code once, and you can't combine it with other offers apparently. Let's see. The first thing that I have in here is the Air Repair Super Hydrating Eye Cream. The full size is $24.50. This potent cream reduces puffiness, hydrates skin, smooths out fine lines, and soothes your under eye area for brighter, wide awake looking seconds. So I haven't tried any of this stuff. Doesn't smell it doesn't have much of a smell, which is good. I'm just going to stick it on the back of my hand for now. It's very moisturizing. I can see how that would be helpful. The next thing I have in here is the Bee Brow Bar Brow Definer Cinnamon Spice. Full size is $30. This waterproof, smudge-proof pencil creates full defined brows with a natural matte finish. Use soft, short strokes to gradually fill in and build your brow shape and thickness. So this should be fun to try. It's just like this tiny little, almost like a coloring pencil. I haven't really used brow pencils before, so it'll be fun to try that. The next thing I have in here is the Laura Geller, the Laura Geller New York Nude Kisses Lip Hugging Lip Gloss Beach Bum. Full size is $21. This hydrating lip gloss imparts sheer to medium coverage color that feels cushiony and never tacky. Its high shine finish creates the appearance of fuller lips too. So it's basically just this like nudie color. It's like a nudie pink color. I think this will look really pretty on the lips. I'm not sure how well you guys can see that, but it's just like a really nice nude pink. So that's going to look like really pretty. The next thing I have in here is the, oops, if I don't drop everything, is the Manna Carter Cosmetics Miracle Balm. The full size is $19. This sheer velvety balm nourishes skin with a blend of argan oil, vitamin A, and vitamin E. Dab it onto the lips, cuticles, and any other dry spots. So apparently this is just like a super moisturizing balm for anywhere. I think I've had something similar to this in a Ipsy or a Birchbox before that I really liked, but I don't remember what the brand was. I know it wasn't this one though. This is a very thick balm. It's not like the other one where it's like really thin. Like this is kind of sticky. I'm not sure if I would really want to put that on too many things. I wouldn't mind on my lips, but I'm not sure about other areas. The last thing I have in here that I'm excited to try is the Beach Whiter Co. Great Barrier Heat Protectant Hairspray. Full size is $28. This high-tech hairspray does it all. It strengthens strands, offers flexible hold, and defends hair against damage from heat styling and environmental factors. This just seems like it'll be like really fun to try. It just looks pretty. I like anything that kind of hints at like the ocean. Has nothing to do with the actual product, but like for some reason that always gets me. But I'm really excited to like try all the stuff this time. Let me know if you guys have tried any of the things in this box or what you got in your Birchboxes. And let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And comment down below. And I will see you guys later. Bye guys!